V8 is possibly the best compromise between everything: power and weight, size and cost. It can be found in any car that is badass, as this is a badass engine. However, it was also installed in many uncommon cars, which are cool, and then became badass as well. It's these 6. Ford Sierra XR8. The XR8 was a rare version, being sold in South Africa only. One reason were fuel prices, the other was for purposes of a homologation of a racing model. Only 250 cars were produced, with a 302 cubic inch unit from the American Mustang and a heavy-duty Borg Warner gearbox. It stands out from other Sierras by a more aggressive design and also AP Racing 4-piston front brakes. Ruf RGT-8. It is known that the roofs are basically Porsche 911s, just built differently, by a different brand in the same factory. No 911 ever featured anything but the Boxer 6. However, Ruf created the RGT-8 with a flat-plane high-revving V8. It featured parts from aluminium and carbon fiber, weighing just 1330 kilograms. Mercedes-Benz R63 AMG. Being a big family car, mostly sold with diesels, the R63 AMG was a huge surprise for the public. Seeing a 6.2 liter car that can take up to 7 people is a rarity. The engine propelled all 4 wheels via an automatic gearbox and wasn't well received due to its poor handling capabilities. Also, it was quite a ridiculous and crazy project, and understandably it was discontinued a year later. Fiat 8V. In Italian known as the Otto V, the 8V was supposed to be called V8, but Ford had already the trademark, so copyright reasons. This sports car was not really meant to be built. The V8 was planned for a luxury sedan, and although it was no sales success, it did great in racing. The 70-degree V configuration was also a little unique, just like the car, possibly being the only production V8 Fiat. Opel Kd. The Kd wasn't an actual car, but a model range featuring the Capitan, Admiral and Diplomat. These 3 cars were basically a single model rebadged into 3 separate cars. Design-wise, they were different, but powertrains were the same, including a 283 and 307 cubic inch GM small blocks. However, Europeans weren't much keen about them. Ford Capri Purana, or shall we call it a European Mustang? In fact, it was a fastback coupe, like the Mustang, was designed by the same guy who drew the Mustang and was intended to be a European equivalent of the Mustang. Besides, it sold very well, like the Mustang, and even had the Windsor V8, like the Mustang. Amongst these, I am much fan of the Sierra. That is a cool car with a badass engine. If there is a V8 car which you consider uncommon, I would like to hear about it. As always, consider subscribing if you enjoyed the content and like the video. Cheers!